Damn. That shit real fucked up, I mean. Long live for loving. She still here. Nigga love you, bro. We was really supposed to take off, homie. But we still gonna take off. You ain't go nowhere, homie. You right here on my left shoulder. R.I.P. that boyhood lover. Why it had to be my brother? How the fuck he lost his life? Man, that's just a motherfucker. Yeah, he was a hothead, but that boy was always humble. He was always chasing money. That boy was his own hustler. It'll only take a call if that young nigga got in trouble. If I had a last chance to tell my little bro I love him, I just look him in the eye, say you blessed and then hug him. Cause he was the only one who really put me through the struggle. I don't understand why, nigga. Tell me how the fuck niggas live, but all the real niggas die, nigga. See that shit right there just made me cry, nigga. How they said he died on the scene, but I feel like he was alive, nigga. I can't believe my brother ain't here. That shit just had my stomach hurting and my heart feeling so weird. Right before I sleep, I gotta shed tears. Just the fact I know my little brother ain't here, and that's fucked up.
The life we live is dangerous. Dangerous, dangerous. Especially when ain't no one trying to pray for us. Ain't nobody trying to pray for us. The life we live is dangerous. Dangerous, dangerous. Especially when ain't no one trying to pray for us. Ain't nobody trying to pray for us. Damn, I miss my hood lovers. Damn, I miss my hood lovers. Yeah, my hood lovers. Yeah, my hood lovers. Damn, I miss my hood lovers. Yeah, they my good brothers. They my good brothers. Damn, I miss my hood lovers. Damn, I miss my hood lovers. Yeah, my hood lovers. Yeah, my hood lovers. Damn, I miss my hood lovers. Yeah, they my good brothers. They my good brothers. Damn, I miss my hood.
Dark days and them bright nights when we ain't have no foreign whips and we was making missions on bikes. And I remember all them hard times. We always stole inside the store. We ain't have time to wait in long lines. He turned up, then we was in the biddy. He always kept his pockets fat and he ain't never leave his fridge empty. He was big B's in the big Bentley. Then he jumped in the M6 and said he never won the 650. Life's rough when you lose love. If I ain't have a pair of shoes, he always asked how much the shoes was. He was the youngest nigga doing it. As a kid, he gave me so much money that I asked him what to do with it. I still can't believe this shit real. That I just became a one-man army in this cold field. My body shiver with the cold chills. When I think of you, I feel like passing out, but I'ma hold still. That shit crazy, man. Nigga been with this nigga for how long? My whole life, 17 years, and that wasn't even enough. I don't know how he gone at this time, man. Everything was already planned. 2017 was our year. November 20th fucked my whole life up, but I'ma pull through.